All right, it looks like you got question 2 wrong, so let's talk about it. It says, which of the following best represents this scenario? The sum of a number and its consecutive number is 21. You can assume n represents a number. So this one is a little bit weird because there's not like a person and a scenario. However, this is like a very common SAT type question. And so it just kind of tests your knowledge of vocab. And so consecutive is the vocab word that they're looking for, or we're looking for. Consecutive means like the next number. And so you have to kind of know how you get from one number to the next number, because we are then finding the sum of those numbers. So sum means addition. Consecutive means like next. And so if you don't know those vocab words, then this is going to be a tough problem. Once we know this though, if we know that it's the sum, I'm going to put an addition sign right in the middle. And that means we're adding two things. Excuse me. We're adding the number and then the next consecutive number. And so it says n is a number, so I'm going to start with n on this side. That is just a number. So we're adding n plus its consecutive, so its next number. And so if you think about consecutive numbers, we have like 1 and then 2 and 3, 3 and 4. And to get to each consecutive number, all we are doing is adding 1. So 1 plus 1 gives us 2. 2 plus 1 gives us 3. And so to get from one number to its consecutive, we add 1. And so this part, I'm going to put it in parentheses so it's clear. The next consecutive number is n plus 1. So like here's a number, the next number is that number plus 1. And then we know that the total, the sum of those two things is 21. And so it's n plus 1, which is the consecutive, equals 21. And so we can look at our options and we can see that that perfectly matches option D. You could have also done this by eliminating. So we can tell, like, it didn't just tell us that the number equals 21. It told us more information. So this one would have automatically been out. This one tells us that if we double the number, so 2 times the number is 21, but it didn't say anything about doubling. So that's gone. Down here is kind of the same as this one. This is just 2 of the same number. So the number plus itself, or 2 of the number, is 21, which it did not tell us either. So you can kind of cancel things out if you aren't quite sure exactly how to write it. I hope this helped.